Spy Week again. We're serious with this one. Why?
Because it's Stylebender versus the Polish power, YAHN Wachowicz.
Man, this man went up in the weight class for this. This is gonna be unreal. I am hyped. So, what are we making for this fight night, bro?
We're making chili dogs. Not your ordinary, everyday chili dogs. You know, we're gonna do it our way.
We'll make sure it's Sonic the Hedgehog verified. Let's do it.
You can't have a chili dog without chili, just like John Cougar Mellencamp said. Let's get into this recipe. I'm gonna start by dicing up 1/2 of a Spanish onion. Gonna dice up 1 stalk of celery. Into the bowl it goes. We got 2 big cloves of Ontario garlic. I'm gonna give them a smash, mince them up, throw them in my bowl.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Garlic into the bowl, baby. Come with me to the stove. We're gonna get this chili going. Whoa! I'm gonna start my pan with 2 tablespoons of canola oil. Just gonna heat that up until it's shimmering. Sucking down chili dogs. Sucking down chili dogs. We're gonna be sucking down chili dogs in at least 38 minutes. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt. Continue to cook down our vegetables. We're just gonna cook the vegetables till they get a little color. Now it's time to add our spices. 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne, full teaspoon of Mexican chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of Hungarian paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of red chili flakes. I'm gonna give that a mix. We're just gonna deglaze with the beer of your choice. One pound medium ground beef into the pot. One last secret touch. 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. Gonna season the ground beef with another teaspoon of salt. And a crack of fresh black pepper. Gonna break down this beef into small pieces and get it all intermingled with our seasonings and garlic and onions and celery we have before. At this point, I'm gonna add 1/3 of a can of crushed tomato. Give that a stir. And then I'm gonna add 1 cup of beef stock, a bay leaf. Then I'm gonna turn my heat down to medium low and just let it reduce for about an hour.
Who doesn't love jalapenos? That's why we're gonna garnish our chili dogs with them. We pickled these jalapenos in our first fight night video, the potato skins. We're gonna fry these guys off with a little crispy dredge. Coat them with 1 tablespoon of flour, 1/2 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix these guys up and get them all fried off. Get these bad boys fried off. Crispy jalapenos.
Action!
Cause you know we're Canadian boys, right? Got these all beef Angus dogs. Let's fill them up. Jump cut. They're cooked.
Back to my boy John Cougar Mellencamp. Let's start sucking on some chili dogs. Gonna throw our dogs in the buns. And you're up, Alex.
Alright, I'm gonna cascade some of this old cheddar over top. We're gonna finish these guys underneath the broiler. Out of the broiler.
Time for the chili. Sucking down chili dogs. We're gonna be sucking on chili dogs. Sucking on chili dogs all day long. We're sucking on chili dogs. Sucking on chili dogs. We're sucking on chili dogs. Just like Jack and Diane.
We're gonna follow up with that beautiful queso. Recipe is in the potato skins video.
chopped white onion.
And those crispy, pickled fried jalapenos.
I'm Jack, you're Diane. Time to
Hey.
suck on some chili dogs.
Wow.
Wait, cheers me.
Jeez.
Touching tips. Fuck me, suck me after this one.
Dude, these are unreal. Wow. The chili, it's good. Like it's a chili dog, man. I don't know what to say, but it's the best chili I goddamn ever had.
Exactly. You're not gonna get this at a 7-Eleven or wherever you guys get chili dogs in the US of A.
Dude, I love these brioche top buns. Like,
Oh,
I don't know,
super
you
soft.
can't go wrong with it. Yeah, you don't even need to toast them that heavy, man. Just
It's actually delicious.
hard boiled on the top of that cheese caramelizing down, bro. It's brilliant.
Who do you got for the fight tonight?
Bro, what do you think, man?
It's
Easy, my
good,
God.
son, yeah.
My boy,
I
Nigeria.
don't know, but that Polish power is so strong.
We'll see, bro. All right, well, yeah, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you
Like, if you haven't already, but you should have by
Subscribe.
now, for sure.
Yeah.
And subscribe, and we'll see you next
I
time.
can't wait till you guys make one of these bad boys. All right, peace out.
Peace.